welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how potato chips are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
This level of precise slicing ensures even frying, guaranteeing a consistent quality in every batch.
The oil flow is fluctuating outside the acceptable range.
It's stable now. The slice thickness parameters look good. We're clear.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
All right, easy now. Perfect, you're all clear.
And that's how potato chips are made, from start to finish.